Blessed day, everyone. My name is Arya Chanel M. Calios, and I will be sharing the greatest commandment. Today, according to the Gospel of Matthew 22:34-40, Jesus was tested and interrogated by Pharisees to see if he says something new. And surprised, what Jesus Christ says is ingenious, but not new. He told the Pharisees, "You shall love the Lord, your God, with all your heart and with all your mind." As Son of the Father, he raised the law and the prophets towards a new horizon. Children of God is not the God we invent. Jesus shows us God as a father who begs love among his children and demands that we love each other as brothers. Lord Jesus, today you call us to the most important thing of our lives, to love God above all things and our neighbor as ourselves. Grant us, Lord, the grace to love as you love us unconditionally. Grant us the grace to remain in you, the Eucharist. It is with you that we produce much fruit with love. Praise to you forever, Lord Jesus Christ. To know more about Jesus, please like and subscribe at faithbook.com.ph. Thank you and God first.